holidays.
Today we're going to be doing a super easy and super fun experiment, and you only need a few materials.
First of all, you need 2 candy canes, a glass of cold water,
And a glass of warm water, and we're going to be dissolving candy canes in a race.
First, we put the candy canes in the water.
And then we watch them race.
These are our final results. As you can see, the candy cane and the warm water won the race.
This is because the heat speeds up the water molecules, causing the reaction to speed up. Pretty good.